We are heading to the farm today, and I'm going to try record some things, but we're going to have lots of kids with us and stuff like that, so I'll probably just record a couple random clips and maybe montage them together, something like that. But yeah, we're heading to the farm. It's open day. It's only down the road from us. We've got to pick up the kids though, which is why we're in the car, otherwise we'd just walk. But yeah, they've got loads of stuff going on. We're going to go meet the cows again. I actually saved a cow last year, but that can be saved for us for story time at some point. And she's at this farm, so I'm going to go see Penny, because I named her Penelope. So I'm going to go see her and I'm very excited. Do you like my hat? I think I like it. But yeah, so we're going to go get her. Not get her, we're going to go see her. We're going to go do some things, eat some ice cream and have a nice day. I'm very excited. It's very warm as well. Probably wore the wrong clothes. I've got shorts on, but like not the right shorts. I probably should have worn like a crop top and shorts instead of slightly longer shorts and a t-shirt. But fuck it, it should be good. Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm like a child. I'm just going to the farm and I'm like, oh my god. Also, birds scare me a bit. That's something I haven't really said here. No reason for me to say I'll cut that out. Okay. See you later.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue dude, that blue, sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not
I see me. I see your hair. Oh, you know what? I'm already recording, so it's just gonna be my head like. Hello. What's going on? Anyone in there? You still working? Ah, look at that! I've gone perfect straight away. It's like it all in. Yeah, it's just. So dry. It's like on the SpongeBob movie when they come out the water and they're laying it. Why is it literally that though? Oh, her lips go. That actually is like that though. Oh god, yeah. It's sweet. I know it's how when we go back down we go like that. We have to. These things are really low. We're not big, they're just really low. Oh, my bum hurts. Yeah, like, does your bum also not quite fit? Like here, it touches you a bit. Yeah. I'm not used to that. That never happens. That's fat. Like those ones should be lower, and then these should be slightly higher. Your eyes, you just pop off back.
I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. The last one I think about. This summer I'll be by your side. A moment that you can't describe. How long will you wait for me? I want you to see what I see. I see you. How I see you. I'm looking now, it's really far. I felt the tingle of my heart.
I'm recording them.
Stars we know are gone. In this lonely place,
Remember, this is your
I
life.
still see your face. I go round and round until every sound is a symphony from my heartbeat.
Oh no! Oh! Anyway. Ring! Ring! That direction doesn't work. I'm not a good part. Oh yeah! Sorry.
Somewhere the stars we know are gone. Can you achieve everything for me? We still got a chance. So I stole a glance at your pretty smile for just a little while.
Stop! You're okay. No. Ooh. Okay. What are you doing? Oh, you know what? That's quite fun. I couldn't stand the seesaw. Yeah. I feel like yeah. You know what I'm talking about? In the middle.
It goes round and round
When the like Looney Tunes song go like extremely fast.
in circles, but I'm still on the ground.
Oh. Oh.
It's a dizzying day.
Oh. Heave. Oh. Heave. Oh.
I would
Heave.
give
Oh.
up to
Heave.
get away.
Heave. Hang on.
It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years.
Yeah.
Could
Why?
you bring some light to
I'm like
me?
confidently standing like, yeah, we gotta turn round.
Or just sit beside me and never leave?
Woo! My hands are way too quick.
I got the curtains
Oh my
up.
God.
I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
I'll come to the park now. I can't record anymore.
Oh yeah.
So, I had quite a good day. I feel like this hat doesn't suit and my hair's not very good. Oh well, I'm not wearing mascara either, so I look like crap. But I had a good day. Had to go to the hospital this morning, got all that done. Me and Chloe went to the park while we wait to be picked up. Come to the yard to turn out. They're going out overnight now, and I just turned up the horse without its fly from John's. So now I had to go back, grab the head collar, and now I've got to try and catch a 3-year-old pony in the field. He's only just gone out. So that's going to be very difficult. Hopefully he's a good boy. Success! Oh, he's trying to count. Stop. Success. Hey Buzz, that's better. Nibbling, because I've just given him a treat for being such a good boy. Yeah, success. Check one. You've had yours. You've had yours. The best bros. So yeah, everything's all done. No. Good boys. I know. Enjoy that. They're now out for the night. So we turn our horses round. So half the year they are out, well, just under half the year. No, just over half the year they're out over in the daytime, over like all the colder months. Then when it's warm, they go out basically as long as possible overnight because it's cooler, and Jack's old and he doesn't like the heat. He doesn't like dealing with too many flies, so this is perfect. He's going out as it cools down, and then he comes in before it gets too hot, and it's perfect for him. And Puzzle just doesn't care. He's like, whatever, dude, I'll do whatever. I am going to leave these 2 treats on the floor for them to find at some point. Will they find it? Probably not. Will I pretend they find it? Yes. I'll pretend they had a great time. So I'm sure they'll find them. I'm really scared that magpie's out. Hopefully it's not. Might try to kill me. Yeah, all done at the yard. Go drop Chloe home now. And I've got work for 3 days. I am tired. Wow, I'm always tired. Oh, I miss my pony rolling. He's not even rolling. He's either itching or grazing. He's grazing. What a lazy little shit. It's just laying there grazing. There we go, into a roll. Beautiful, lovely form. And up he gets. Or is he going over to the other side? Nah, up he gets, lovely. Good shake. Nice lazy roll. Okay, so this is this is 20 days later. No. 19 days later. No, it's fucking 1 AM. It's 20 days later. Oh my god, it's more than that. It's 20 something days later. That's a film. Not 20 something days later. I think it's like 26 days later. And I put no end into this vlog, so I started just recording other stuff, and I've decided that I need to obviously split it up, so otherwise, as always, it's going to be very long. But I dropped Chloe home. Very sad. We had a great time. The farm was great. Everything was great. The park was so much fun. We are big kids. We love doing shit like that. Because you know what? It generally makes you feel a lot better. So, you know, if you've got a park anywhere near you, or if you can travel to a park, just do it. Doesn't matter how old you are. Just go to the park. It should be made more normal for people older than fucking 10 to go to the park. Like, come on. I hope you like this video. I know it's not that good, but I've really tried hard with this video. Like, I wanted to go to sleep quite a while ago because I've had a long day. I've had a long couple of days. It was George's birthday. That was fucking brilliant, obviously. So we had a great time. yeah, and I'm just very tired. But I started editing this, and then I've added music, I've made montages, I've added tiny bits of text where I feel like it's needed, because I don't want to do that too much. But if you feel like it, let me know how you thought it was, because I'm happy with it, okay? This is my first time doing a video like this. This is my first ever like montage and everything like that. But I'm happy with it. Is what it is. I tried very hard. For how shit it is, I tried way too hard. That's fine. Yeah, I just wanted to put an end into this. So content is getting a little bit better. It's better than the first, way better than the second. This is only the third. The fourth should be alright. And the fifth, I'm pretty sure the fifth will be a really good one. I think the fourth might be a short one. And then the fifth, it depends what I record from now. Yeah. Okay, I've been recording for 3 minutes. I've not been talking too much bullshit, but I have spoke a little bit of bullshit. Yeah, I've had fun doing this. I really hope you like it. Obviously, if you like it, you know, maybe if you just fancy, you know, liking the video, maybe. Don't have to, but, you know, be nice. Make me smile, you know, cheer me up. I'm actually alright. Maybe subscribe if you want to. I'm almost at what is this piece of hair? I'm almost at a whole 10 subscribers, so you know. I really hope at some point that sounds like crazy, and that not in 3 years time I'm like, oh my god, I've just hit 20 subscribers. If it does, it's fine. But you know, it'd be nice to have some more. Okay, I'm gonna shut up because I'm talking too much. But like, subscribe if you want to. Let me know what you thought if you want to. Or you know, you can all just ignore me and do nothing. So that's fine. Cool, whatever. I'm gonna go start editing my next video, because I have content ready. I have a whole other 2 videos pretty much ready, and I will be doing other videos other than vlogs, but for now this is it, because it's all my brain can do right now. But yes, I love you. I hope you had a good time watching this or listening to this, or if you had it on the background. Nice. Yeah, I'm talking bullshit again. Have a nice day, have a nice night, have a nice time. I love you all. Thank you for making it to the end.